I believe in change, I believe in hope, and I believe in the potential of this great province. Viva Gauteng, viva! My name is Musi Maimane, if you don't know me.
We've got an incredible vehicle that is very well kitted out, that will take us on a trip of more than 4,000 kilometers. We're going to go to every corner of this province. We're going to talk to people, we want to listen to people's dreams, we want to listen to people's hopes. Because we want to understand right at their core what their hopes are for South Africa, what their hopes are for this province. So that ultimately the government that we set up is a government that reflects the people of this province. And so today has been quite sobering in some ways when you realize the abject poverty that is here, and you realize that in fact we've got a lot more work to do in this campaign.
Together, we can bring change in Gauteng. It's change that brings jobs, change that brings hope, change that believes in the prospects of this province. That's what we want to bring in this country. That's what we want to bring in Gauteng. And I look forward to working with every single one of you because change starts today. Viva Gauteng, viva!